Hello, physics class. Welcome to today's lesson, Energy, Zoomed In. Today's lesson is going to be interactive, which means you get to do some things instead of just listening. So, your assignment for today is just to listen when I'm talking and then to do the activities when they come up in this slideshow. Okay, and after that, you don't have to do anything. You're done. Here's your learning targets for today. So, by the end of class, I hope that you will be able to understand the words macroscopic, microscopic, and atomic. And by the end of class today, I hope that you will be able to explain what atoms do when they heat up. So today we're going to be imagining the very, very, very small. All right. So here is a picture of a gold bar, and I want you to imagine what would we see if we could zoom in on that gold bar and actually see what it's made of. Okay, so for today, there are three words that I'm trying to teach you, and they represent the three ways that you can look at something, or three levels of seeing something. The first one is macroscopic. Macro is a word that means big. Okay, so that is just a fancy science word for what you would see in everyday life with your own eyes. Macroscopic, on a big scale. If you could zoom in on that bar of gold, maybe you put it under a microscope, you would be seeing how it looks microscopically. So micro means small. So microscopic is how this would look if we could see even smaller than that. And then what if we could go one level smaller and we could see the actual atoms that this gold is made of? That would be called the atomic scale or the atomic level. And as you might guess, atomic, this word comes from the word atom because this gold is actually made of a lot of gold atoms, and we can see them here. So each of these little circles is an actual picture of an atom. Okay, one more example. If you could see a person sneeze, maybe you're using a special camera that slows things down, and you could take a picture of this man sneezing. That would be the macroscopic level. But what if you could take some of his sneeze and put it under a microscope, right? Then you would be looking at the microscopic level of that sneeze. And if he had the flu, let's say, you would see this under the microscope. So each of these is a little flu virus. And if you could zoom in even more and see what these viruses are made of, you would see atoms. And that would be looking at them on the atomic level. All right, so now I want you to do an activity to practice your newfound knowledge of these three words. You're going to practice matching the words with some pictures. So go ahead and go to the next slide to do that.